Texas Governor Greg Abbott announced the state began construction of its own border wall. The announcement comes as construction crews began erecting bollard walls in the Rio Grande Valley sector on Texas-owned property. Texas has officially started building its own border wall, Governor Abbott tweeted on Friday. Texas is stepping up to do the federal government's job. $3 billion of Texas taxpayer money has been devoted to this cause of Texas securing the border, and so we have a lot of money available to us to continue to build the wall, the Texas governor said during an interview on Fox News, Varney & Co. For Texas, this is going to cost less than it did for the Trump administration for one reason. And that's because in Texas, unlike the Trump administration, we're not having to devote money to acquire the land. The state of Texas owns land on the border itself. There are property owners of massive acreage on the border who are fed up with Biden's open border policies, Abbott added, and they are donating their land to Texas for us to be able to use that land for free to build a wall on their property. Earlier this year, the state of Texas began building additional border barriers in the Del Rio sector, which is now the second busiest of the 9 southwest border sectors. Friday's announcement of construction in Starr County, Texas, comes on the same day U.S. Customs and Border Protection announced that Border Patrol agents apprehended an additional 173,620 migrants in November, Breitbart Texas reported. Of those, 47,710 apprehensions, an increase of more than 175% over the previous November apprehensions, took place in the Rio Grande Valley sector where the new state-funded construction project began.